At its Build 2025 conference, Microsoft announced a wave of new open-source initiatives, including the debut of a command-line text editor for Windows called Edit. While open-sourcing software may not directly boost revenue, Microsoft sees it as a strategic investment, offering insights into user needs and generating momentum for its broader ecosystem. By engaging with the developer community, the company gains valuable feedback, feature suggestions, and a clearer sense of future priorities. Edit will ship by default with Windows through the Windows Insider program starting this summer. Developers can launch it simply by typing Edit in the terminal, enabling quick, in-context file editing without breaking their workflow. Microsoft says the goal is to reduce context switching and keep developers focused. In addition, Microsoft is open-sourcing parts of GitHub Copilot for Visual Studio Code. Over the coming months, key AI-powered features from the GitHub Copilot extension will migrate into the open-source versus code repository, deepening integration and community contribution. Finally, Microsoft announced that the Windows Subsystem for Linux (WSL), which allows users to run a full Linux environment within Windows, will also be open-sourced. This move gives developers direct access to WSL's source code, enabling customizations and improvements tailored to specific use cases. Also, Microsoft is now offering managed access to Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini AI models from Elon Musk's startup xAI through its Azure AI Foundry. These versions come with Microsoft service-level agreements and billing. Originally marketed as edgy and unfiltered, Grok has gained attention for its willingness to tackle controversial topics. Benchmarking by SpeechMap shows Grok 3 as one of the more permissive models. The Grok models available on Azure are more restricted than those on Musk's X platform, offering enhanced data integration, customization, and governance features. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.